way back when. Morning walks and bedroom talks, oh how I loved you then. Summer skies and lullabies, nights we couldn't say goodbye, and of all of the things that we knew, not a dream survived. Photographs and memories, all the love you gave to me, somehow it just can't be true. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken.
Hi, Apamir! Happy birthday, mahal kita! I hope we can spend more time together. And see you soon. Bye-bye!
Hello po Lola Mir, happy birthday. Love you, ingat.
Hello Mare, we wish you a happy 80th birthday. May God bless you always, and lots of love from Singapore or all over the place in where we are going. Thank you. God bless.
Mare, happy birthday. Even though he's 80, but it's the best time. Numbers is only numbers. Wish you the best for your lovely birthday. Have a drink, plenty to eat, enjoy your family surrounding, and our wishes come from Singapore to Brunei. It's a bit early here at the moment. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning, but it doesn't matter. Wish you the best and hopefully see you soon. Take care.
Happy birthday, Dangmir and Jessie.
Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa.
I hope your birthday is a good one. Good blessings for the new year. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Dangmir, happy birthday po. Great ko sana bidinan ka pang masika na pamikatawan. Dakal pagpapala. Balong may surprise ka ring surprise sabi niya daling anak mo. Pagpray ko na sana patuloy nakanggabay ng apong Ginoo at eka sasawang mag-jogging ng ganingal do bakan talalo lang sikan dintud mo. And kan Jessie, happy birthday din. O tutuwata na Jess, basta balo ta na nung nanong masanting para kaya katam. Sana ikongan maging masaya kay ganingal do ay ni. Happy birthday. God bless. Yun lang.
Hello, Dangmer. Kumusta na? Wish ka mo happy birthday. 80 years old. So, tutwata na naman. So, kumusta kayo kaya ni Mako at Chunia Sambales? Happy niyong permanent home ng Eni. So, next time magbisita kami kiyan Pilipinas, dalanan da ka, pasyalan da ka. So, have a happy birthday. Enjoy your family. And wish you well, long life. Bye-bye.
Damer, kumusta na ka? At yung kiniking Phil's Barbecue, kiniking Temecula, California. Nag-lunch kami nga to. Birthday mo pala, gigrit na ka mo happy birthday. 80 years old na ka pala. At tatandaan ko niyang kabait-bait ko. 1 day old ko pa mo, iningat mo ko ng ima ko. So thank you very much and I want to greet you a very happy birthday, 80th birthday. And I hope you enjoy your day.
Okay. Hi, Damer, iya twinning. Happy birthday kay kane. Kaya bigay ko Joel, big lunch kay ning Temecula, California pin. So 80 na ka pala pero nakakaya na ka ni tsura. So we just want to greet you happy birthday ne at saka may God bless you always. Kayong health mo ang po pagkikaya kang kaya kayong everyday life mo kende. O sige, okay. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, happy 80th birthday. Kumusta na?
Good morning po. Ako po si Jay. Ako po yung son-in-law ng birthday celebrant at saka brother-in-law po ng birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, 80th birthday, Ima. Sana po mabigyan kayo ng Panginoon na mahaba pang buhay. Sana po sa araw-araw ng inyong buhay mapasubaybayan kayo ng Panginoon. At ibigay niyo sa inyo yung kanyang grace and mercy in your everyday life. Sana po ang iyong birthday, enjoy niyo yung birthday niyo. At 10 po sa inyo, 10 po ng inyong mga anak na umuwi. Sinurprise kayo. Your birthday celebrant is supposed to be surprised. I don't know kung nabuko sila. So, enjoy your birthday, Ma. Sana po, potang muli ko o makamunta ko kayo ni makapunta tamo kayong Malagong garden. Because I know you love plants. So, happy birthday uli. And happy birthday to you too, Brother Jesse, Tito Jesse. 53rd birthday. My wish to you is joy and good health as well. Sana basbasan ka ng Panginoon at bigyan ka niya ng lakas sa araw-araw ng iyong buhay. Before I end up this birthday wish, I would like to read a verse from the Bible coming from Jeremiah 29:11. And it reads, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." Ayan po, binigyan tayo ng magandang hope ng Panginoon. At sana po yun ang ating panalangin sa araw-araw. Once again, happy birthday to you, Ima, and happy birthday to you, Brother Jesse. Enjoy your day, and God bless us all.
Go. Happy birthday, Mir and Jesse.
Hello, Utol. Kumusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? Tanda ka sa akin, ano? Ay, hindi. Biro lang. Kailan, kamusta ka na dyan? Lalo kaya tang yumayaman, ano? Kailan tayo magkikita kaya?